Here we have a Brugmansia. It's a vigorous growing shrub, however it is tolerant of being pruned back. You can take it back to about an inch into the old wood. We're going to take this back to about a third because it's become a bit straggly. So always going just above a node and to an outward facing branch. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by just being a bit modest with my pruning, because then you can always take it back a bit further if you like, rather than going in sort of gung-ho and then regretting it later. And then it really is just checking to see that you're left with a framework that is nice on the eye and healthy for the plant. And of course removing any dead disease or crossing branches. It's good practice to prune the Brugmansia in October. And in some areas of the country, they may be grown in a greenhouse or grown in a pot and put out in the garden in the summer and then brought back into the conservatory or greenhouse in the autumn. And it's a good idea to remove any seed pods because that will kind of save energy in the plant so that it will produce more flowers come summer. And I think we're nearly done. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so there we are. We've taken a lot of the seasonal growth off. We've cut it back to a nice framework, so it's all ready now to go into its dormancy and to reshoot come next spring.